The foundation of the well-being and survival of the American military and the defense of the nation are underwritten by our nuclear deterrent. The responsibility for certifying the nation's nuclear weapons stockpile is safe, secure, and reliable falls upon the National Nuclear Security Administration. Every year, the NNSA provides a report to Congress and the American public. The NNSA faces the challenge of certifying the reliability and safety of the United States nuclear stockpile without nuclear testing. The Nevada National Security Sites, a group of proud professionals and places stretching from coast to coast, everyone working together toward a vital nationwide, even worldwide goal: we secure America's future. Anchoring this group of people and places, the Nevada National Security Site itself, at over 1,300 square miles. The site is on federal land, surrounded by federal land. Very large, very remote, very safe, very secure. The NNSS is host to a stunning array of research. Like what? Like Pulse. It used to be called U1A, now Principal Underground Lab for Subcritical Experimentation, or Pulse. Nearly 1,000 feet underground, Pulse is the perfect place for high security and high hazard experiments and research involving nuclear stockpile readiness. It's vital to understand every millisecond of nuclear processes, especially when certifying the reliability of America's aging existing weapons. Construction is currently underway on new testbeds, a signature investment in the Pulse Underground Laboratory that will be home to the Advanced Sources and Detectors Scorpius machine and the Neutron Diagnosed Subcritical Experiments machine named Zeus. Scorpius and Zeus will enable subcritical experiments that image special nuclear material during multiple stages of detonation, yielding essential data on stockpile safety and certification without reaching critical mass. The new scientific instruments will also enable the NNSS to offer federal and private partners 3 parallel operational testbeds for new and enhanced subcritical experiment capabilities. While Pulse is below the surface, above the surface is another part of the site, Port Gaston. The NNSS controls the airspace above the site. At Port Gaston, experiments involving rockets, drones, and other aircraft are possible. Port Gaston also hosts experiments and research into anti-drone technology. Non-proliferation of nuclear weapons is vital to the interest of the United States. Special experiments in places like P-Tunnel study conventional explosions, seismic waves, and other reactions in different geologic formations and other conditions. These experiments will help us know who is testing nuclear weapons. In a small valley on the site, Jasper is an acronym for Joint Actinide Shock Physics Experimental Research. This facility showcases a 2-stage gas gun used to propel a pellet at a target at unbelievably high speeds, up to 17,000 miles per hour. The collision is observed, photographed, and has thousands of data points recorded, all in microseconds. The Jasper gun mimics temperatures, pressures, and strain rates of materials similar to those in a nuclear weapon. The NNSS is home to Counterterrorism Operations Support, or CTOS. Homeland Security is the mission priority here. Our people use realistic training with real radioactive material to help first responders quickly and safely react to radiological incidents. Training is offered at the site, or instructors and equipment are taken to the first responders so they can learn in their own communities. Another mission puts NNSS assets in the air. Helicopters and planes, based in Nevada and Washington, D.C., regularly fly over major events across the country. These aircraft and people are from the NNSS Remote Sensing Laboratory. These people are the best in the world at finding dirty bombs or other radiological sources. Their aircraft are specially designed and equipped to discover these types of threats. The Special Technologies Lab, or STL in Santa Barbara, California, is well known and highly respected by our nation's national security enterprise for innovative ideas and quickly finding solutions to complex challenges in support of stockpile stewardship and other vital national security priorities. The NNSS never stands still. At the NNSS, our mission takes us everywhere. Everything we do protects liberty and freedom in America and around the world. The NNSS, we secure America's future.